Our solar system is like a giant neighborhood. It is filled with fascinating planets, mysterious moons, and other celestial wonders. Imagine it as a massive playground with each planet as a different ride. These rides all circle around our star, the Sun. The solar system is a large family with the Sun as its guiding parent. It stretches far and wide, from the blazing sun to the icy edges of the Kuiper Belt. If you could travel through the solar system, you would need a spaceship. Even though the planets look close in pictures, they are really far apart. It would take years to visit each one. The solar system is a place of extremes. Some planets are scorching hot, while others are freezing cold. There are rocky worlds and gas giants, each with unique features. The solar system is not just about planets. There are countless smaller objects like asteroids and comets. These float between the planets and have their own stories to tell. Our journey will take us from the Sun, through the planets and out to the Kuiper Belt. Get ready to explore this vast and exciting place. As we begin this journey, think about how each planet has its own personality. Some are calm and serene, while others are wild and stormy. The solar system is a testament to nature's creativity. It shows how varied and beautiful the universe can be. Let's start this cosmic journey and see what wonders await us. The Sun is the heart of our solar system. It is a giant ball of hot gas, mostly made of hydrogen and helium. Imagine it as a huge furnace that gives off light and heat. Without the Sun, there would be no life on Earth. It is the source of energy that warms our planet and powers photosynthesis in plants. The Sun is enormous. Over 1 million Earths could fit inside it. This immense size helps it hold the entire solar system together with its gravity. It keeps the planets in their orbits, just like a parent keeping an eye on their children. The Sun's surface is not solid, but is constantly boiling and bubbling. This activity creates solar flares and sunspots, which are fascinating to study. The Sun is about 4.6 billion years old. It is in the middle of its life and will continue to shine for billions of more years. When we look at the Sun, we see light that has traveled millions of kilometers to reach us. This light takes about 8 minutes to travel from the Sun to Earth. Understanding the Sun helps us learn more about other stars in the universe. It is a perfect example of how stars work. The Sun's energy influences everything in the solar system. It affects our climate, weather, and even the technology we use. Our exploration begins here, at the center of it all. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. It is like a small, rocky ball circling quickly around the Sun. This speedy planet is named after the Roman messenger god because it moves so fast across the sky. Mercury is a tiny world, only slightly larger than our Moon. It is the smallest planet in our solar system. Mercury has a rocky surface covered with craters. These craters are the result of many collisions with asteroids and comets. The planet has almost no atmosphere to protect it from these impacts. Because of its thin atmosphere, temperatures on Mercury can be extreme. During the day, it is incredibly hot, and at night it is freezing cold. One of the most interesting features of Mercury is its large iron core. This core makes up a significant portion of the planet's mass, giving it a powerful magnetic field. Scientists are curious about why Mercury's core is so large compared to its size. This mystery makes Mercury an exciting target for exploration. Visiting Mercury would be a challenge. Its proximity to the Sun means it experiences intense sunlight and radiation. However, studying Mercury helps us understand how rocky planets form and evolve. It provides a glimpse into the early days of our solar system. As we leave Mercury, we journey further into this celestial neighborhood. Venus is often called Earth's twin because of its similar size and structure. However, Venus is a world of intense heat and crushing pressure. It is the second planet from the Sun and shines brightly in our sky, often seen just after sunset or before sunrise. Venus is covered in thick clouds that reflect sunlight, making it the brightest planet in the night sky. The atmosphere of Venus is mostly carbon dioxide with clouds of sulfuric acid. This toxic combination creates a powerful greenhouse effect. As a result, the surface temperature is hot enough to melt lead. The pressure on Venus is like being deep underwater, making it a hostile environment for life as we know it. Venus has a slow and unusual rotation. It spins in the opposite direction of most planets and takes longer to rotate on its axis than to orbit the Sun. This means a day on Venus lasts longer than a Venusian year. The surface of Venus is rocky and volcanic, with plains, mountains, and vast lava flows. Exploring Venus is challenging due to its harsh conditions. However, learning about Venus helps us understand the effects of climate change and the evolution of planets. Despite its inhospitable nature, Venus remains one of the most intriguing planets in our solar system. Our journey continues as we move closer to home. Section 5. Earth, our blue marble. Earth is our home. It is the third planet from the Sun and the only one known to support life. Earth is often called the blue marble because of its vast oceans. Water covers about 71% of Earth's surface, giving it its distinctive blue appearance from space. The planet's atmosphere is rich in oxygen, which is essential for life. Earth has a diverse range of environments, from lush forests and towering mountains to arid deserts and icy poles. These various ecosystems support an incredible variety of life forms. Earth's climate and weather are influenced by its atmosphere and oceans, which work together to create habitable conditions. The planet has a dynamic surface shaped by tectonic activity. Earthquakes and volcanic eruptions are signs of its active geology. These processes have created the continents and ocean basins. Earth's magnetic field protects us from harmful solar radiation, acting as a shield against the sun's powerful winds. Earth is unique in our solar system, with its complex web of life and vibrant ecosystems. It serves as a reminder of the delicate balance needed to sustain life. Our exploration of the solar system begins and ends with Earth, as it is the center of our search for understanding the universe. From here, we reach out to explore other worlds. Section 6. Mars, the red planet. Mars is known as the red planet because of its reddish appearance. This color comes from iron oxide or rust on its surface. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and is a cold, desert world with a thin atmosphere. It has captivated humans for centuries, with many wondering if it could support life. Mars is home to the largest volcano and the deepest canyon in the solar system. Olympus Mons is a massive shield volcano, and Valles Marineris is a canyon that stretches thousands of kilometers. These landmarks make Mars a planet of extremes, with diverse and dramatic landscapes. The planet's atmosphere is mostly carbon dioxide, and its surface temperature can be extremely cold. Mars has two small moons, Phobos and Deimos, which are thought to be captured asteroids. Scientists are particularly interested in Mars because of evidence that liquid water once flowed on its surface. Mars has been a target for exploration by many space missions. Rovers have explored its surface, sending back valuable information. Discoveries about Mars help us understand the potential for life on other planets. As we continue our journey, Mars invites us to dream about the possibility of human exploration and settlement. Section 7. The asteroid belt, a rocky ring. The asteroid belt is a vast region filled with rocky bodies. It lies between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Think of it as a ring of debris left over from the solar system's formation. The asteroid belt contains millions of asteroids, ranging in size from tiny pebbles to large rocks, hundreds of kilometers across. Ceres, the largest object in the asteroid belt, is considered a dwarf planet. It is round and has its own gravity, unlike most asteroids. The belt is not densely packed, contrary to what movies often show. Spacecraft can navigate through it without much risk of collision. The asteroids are spread out over a large area. Understanding the asteroid belt helps scientists learn about the early solar system. These rocky remnants are like cosmic fossils. They hold clues to how planets formed. Studying them can reveal information about the building blocks of our solar system and the processes that shaped it. The asteroid belt also represents a potential source of resources for future space missions. Mining asteroids could provide materials for building and fuel. This idea excites scientists and engineers as they plan for future exploration. As we leave the asteroid belt, we head towards the giants of our solar system. Section 8. The gas giants, Jupiter and Saturn. Jupiter and Saturn are the gas giants of our solar system. They are massive planets made mostly of hydrogen and helium. Jupiter is the largest planet, more than 11 times the diameter of Earth. It has a strong magnetic field and dozens of moons. Saturn is famous for its stunning rings, which are made of ice and rock particles. Jupiter's atmosphere is known for its colorful bands and the Great Red Spot, a giant storm that has raged for centuries. The planet's many moons, such as Ganymede and Europa, are intriguing worlds in their own right. Some of them may even harbor subsurface oceans, raising the possibility of life. Saturn, with its majestic rings, is a sight to behold. The rings are not solid, but made up of countless particles that orbit the planet. Saturn's largest moon, Titan, has a thick atmosphere and lakes of liquid methane. This moon is of particular interest to scientists studying prebiotic chemistry. The gas giants are crucial to understanding the solar system's formation. Their immense gravity has shaped the orbits of other planets and objects. They are also key to studying planetary atmospheres and magnetic fields. As we move beyond these giants, we venture into the icy realm of the outer solar system. Section 9. The ice giants and the Kuiper Belt. The ice giants Uranus and Neptune are the farthest planets from the Sun. They are known for their icy compositions and unique characteristics. Uranus has a pale blue color due to methane in its atmosphere and rotates on its side. Neptune, the windiest planet, has a deep blue color and intense storms. Beyond these planets lies the Kuiper Belt, a region filled with icy bodies. It is similar to the asteroid belt but much larger. The Kuiper Belt is home to Pluto, once considered the 9th planet. Now classified as a dwarf planet, Pluto has a complex surface with mountains, plains, and even glaciers. The Kuiper Belt contains many other fascinating objects such as Eris, Haumea, and Make. These icy worlds are remnants of the early solar system and offer insights into its formation. The New Horizons mission gave us our first close look at Pluto and continues to explore this distant region. The Kuiper Belt is a frontier for exploration. It challenges our understanding of planets and their classifications. As we conclude our journey through the solar system, we reflect on the wonders we've encountered. There's still much to learn, and the spirit of exploration drives us to discover more. The solar system is a vast and dynamic place, inviting us to continue our quest for knowledge.